In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Cursor on your Windows. So for it, just go to any browser and in the browser, search for Cursor. And here you will see this download option. So here you need to click on download. So it will take you to this page and here you can see download Cursor. So this is for Windows, download for Windows. And if you are using Mac OS or Linux, you can choose those options. So since I am using Windows, so I need to click here. I'll click this and it will start downloading. Here you can see. So it will take a few seconds to download. Right now I'll just fast forward the video. So here you can see the download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on this downloaded file. Then it will show you something like this. So let me just minimize the browser and here we need to accept the agreement. Then click on next. Then it will choose the install location. So if you want, you can choose different location, but I'll recommend you to keep the same location. Then click on next, then click on next again. And here you need to check this on create a desktop icon, then click on next, then click on install. So it will take a few seconds to install. And there you can see it's done. And here you can see it also created the cursor desktop icon as well. So right now, if we click on finish, it will launch the cursor. So let me just click on finish. And there you go, it open cursor. And the first time you open cursor, it will ask you to sign up. So right now I'm going to click on sign up. So here you can see previously I have installed and logged in Cursor. That's why it is already showing me that you are already logged in as this email. So I'm just going to click here, yes, login. And there you can see you are all set. Feel free to return to Cursor. So I'm going to just close this and then it will show you a interface like this. So right now we are logged in the Cursor. So if you want, you can import the VS Code setting in Cursor, but I'm just going to keep everything default. Then click here, continue. Then you can choose a layout from here. So I'm going to choose this layout, midnight. Then click on continue and just keep clicking on continue and it's done. So this is the cursor interface. So you can open any kind of project from here. So here you will see this open folder option, and if you now click on file, you will see the open folder option here as well. So let me just click this and let me just open a folder, I mean a project from here. Let me just open this project, Express.js Clinic, select folder, and this is the project. And here on the right side, you will see a chat option. And if you just press Ctrl plus L, the chat option will disappear. And if you now press again Ctrl plus L, the chat option will appear again. And here, from here, you can just give any kind of command or prompt to tell Cursor whatever modify you want in your project. So yeah, this is all. This is how we can install and use Cursor. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.